You ever look at yourself in the mirror and think, damn, what happened to me? Like, you know you're not living the way you should be. You're tired, distracted, maybe even a little lost. But what if I told you you could start fixing it all in just one day? Look, I'm not here to sell you some magical change your life in 24 hours fantasy, but here's the truth. One honest day, one real, no-nonsense day with yourself can be the spark, the first domino, the first step, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Let's fix you. Just for one day, that's all I'm asking. First things first, wake up early. Not at 5 a.m. unless you want to, but early enough to take control before the world takes control of you. Don't touch your phone, no scrolling, no distractions. Instead, sit up, stretch, and just breathe. Close your eyes for 2 minutes. Think about nothing. Let your mind breathe. Now, write down everything that's been on your mind lately. Stuff that's bothering you, stuff you've been avoiding. Don't overthink it, just brain dump. You'll feel lighter, I promise. Take a cold or warm shower, your choice. But as the water hits you, tell yourself, today is mine. Today I'm showing up for me. Now it's time to clean. I'm not joking. Clean your room, your desk, your phone, your life. Throw away the junk. Organize just one space you use daily. Why? Because your external space mirrors your internal space. After that, go for a walk without your phone. Just walk. Let your thoughts flow. Talk to yourself if you need to, out loud even. You'd be surprised how much clarity comes from simply moving and listening to your own mind. Now eat something good, like really good, not junk, not stress food. Cook something if you can, even if it's simple. Put love into your food. Sounds cheesy, but it matters. Fuel your body like you care about it, because you should. Then read or watch something valuable, something that opens your brain up. Not entertainment, but elevation. YouTube, podcasts, books, anything that makes you think, wow, I needed this. Now, before the day ends, forgive yourself for the mistakes, the bad habits, the lost time. Say it out loud. I forgive myself, and I'm choosing better now. Then take 30 minutes to plan tomorrow. Set 3 small goals, just 3. Keep it simple, but make them count. And before you sleep, lie down and think about this day. You didn't fix everything, but you showed up. You fought back. And that's powerful, because once you do this once, you'll want to do it again. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I keep this up? How do I make it stick? Well, that's where the magic really starts. There are 3 hobbies, simple ones, that can completely change the way you live, think, and grow. If you're ready to make this the start of something real, then you need to see this. Watch this video right now. It's not just inspiration, it's your next step.